Mark Deering here from RE/MAX. We got another new listing for you this week. We are in the northwest side of Grand Rapids again. We have a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. Come on in and check this place out. All right, so as you walk in, you just have that big, clean, open, updated feel. Right off to the left is gonna be the living room, which you'll see here in a minute. Check out this barnwood wall. This is really cool. And then you walk over here to the kitchen. I just love the way that they pick the colors. It's the popular gray mixed with the black, and the different tones that are in here, really nice. And then, which way do we want to go? Let's go this way. So you've got a full bath, updated sink, nice tile backsplash, nice full bath in here. And then you're gonna have 3 bedrooms. They do have hardwood floors. Windows are updated, so it should be pretty energy efficient. Good sized room here. Nice little built-in shelf here in the hallway. Bedroom number 2, decorated super nice as well. Perfect for a kid right now and or office, whatever you want to set it up as. Hardwood floors again. This bedroom also has hardwood floors. Lots of windows, lots of natural light. Real good size ceiling fan in here. And now that we've made the full circle, we walk back into the living room. And this whole living room, hallway, and kitchen has a nice plank flooring down. Looks real sharp, nice dark look to kind of accent the walls. All right, so as you get downstairs, you will notice tons of space, tons of storage space, pretty much open canvas for what you'd like to do down here. Just leave it as storage, or maybe make a little workout area or a hobby shop, whatever you'd like to do. All right, so now we're in the rear yard, and it's pretty much fenced in almost all the way around. This home has tons of updates, guys. You're gonna have to come in and check it out for yourself. But we are 2 blocks from Blandford Nature Center. We are less than 5 minutes from downtown Grand Rapids. Get inside and check this place out.